there, this is Christy Matthews. I hope you're having a great day. So, how would you like to increase your engagement on Twitter? Yes, on Twitter. I know it's not so exciting, huh? But you know, engagement is what it's all about. So, before I get going here, do me a favor in the chat. Would you tell me if you're using Twitter at this time? Put yes if you are, and if you're not using Twitter, put no. Really like to know where people, what social platforms that you're hanging out on besides here. So 4 tips for you. They're kind of unique and they're new to me as well, so I wanted to share them right away. First of all, if you're following a lot of people, this is an extra one, okay? I'm going to back off a little bit. Over time, you're going to want to reduce your followers down and have a ratio to where you are following far fewer people than people who are following you. And we'll talk about that more in a later video. But having said that, within the followers that you are following, you want to laser target those who are very compatible with your niche. So let's say if you're a venture capitalist, you're going to want to reach out to other venture capitalists. Let's say if you're into crypto, you might want to target other people that are into crypto. If you're in network marketing, you may want to do the same thing there. And start connecting with people who are like-minded, who are good relationships to build. Let's just put it this way. You have things that are very much in common. And think of the things that are going to be complementary to your business and connect with those people. So you don't have to connect with many people a day. Just a few people a day is all that's needed, but keep the connection going and try to work through your followers and find out those who are most in line with your niche. Second, make an entrepreneur's list that you like to follow. Here we go again. Keep a list of those people and make sure that you're spending a little bit more time on their page. You know, go in and like their post, maybe make some comments on them. Very, very important because they will also be returning the favor through retweets, that type of thing. Tweet storms. Okay, let's see. Who is most famous for tweet storms that I can think of? Our president, Donald Trump. And if you think about that, this is a technique that is being used by very few people, and it's very, very effective. If you've seen Mr. Trump's tweet storms, he will start with one message and continue on to another and on to another and on to another. Now, if you do this within your business, there's a good chance that you're going to get somebody who's going to jump in and interact with you, and you start having a conversation. Yes, a conversation on Twitter, right on your Twitter feed. This one is, when I heard about this in terms of marketing, it's like, of course, you know, why not, you know, emulate this thing that our president is doing? It's very effective. All right, videos. So if you've cut videos that are running on other platforms, why not have just a small snippet that's up to about 220 seconds, which is about all that Twitter can do or take on an active video within Twitter. And you start off with just a few, you know, 220 seconds or so, and ask them at the very end if they like this video, then they can go ahead and watch the rest of it, and you leave a link for them to go ahead and click on and take them off of the Twitter platform over to where you really want them to go. That's a cute, kind of a nice little ninja type of thing. So here's what's important is when people are engaging on the video, they are more likely to follow you, engage with you more, may actually become a customer. They might buy products from you. You never know, but video is huge and something that you know, I've talked about this before, that you want to engage in and really make this a part of your business. So that's it. I hope that you got some value from this. Let me know which one of these points was most significant to you. And will you be incorporating any of these into your business? Let me know that in the chat. And I'll see you next time. You have a great day. Bye now.